We're here at Red Rock Harley today for a MSF Ride Day event, and I'm super excited about starting this journey with people that have maybe never ridden a motorcycle before. It's a free event. My name is Steve Ritchie. I manage the Riding Academy here at Red Rock Harley-Davidson. Got over 1 million miles on a motorcycle, no crashes. So when you come to Red Rock Harley, you know the level of coaches you're getting. But here today at our Ride Day event, we're hoping to get a large group of people that have the desire to ride a motorcycle. It is pretty exciting. With weather like this today, it doesn't get any better time to ride a motorcycle. And if you have that desire, or maybe you've thought about, I would like to ride a motorcycle someday, this is a great event. It's designed for people that are brand new to motorcycling, no experience required. We do provide helmets for you. We provide protective equipment for today. We'll get you on a bike with our certified coaches. We'll get you walking the bike, maybe a little bit of riding here in the parking lot, and then get you back in for one of our 3-day classes. We have 12 coaches here with a variety of experience from all levels of motorcycle riding, from beginner rider education all the way to advanced rider training. So if you're thinking about riding a bike, this is the place you need to be to get your motorcycle license.
My name's Maggie and I'm a coach here at Red Rock Harley-Davidson, located at the corner of Rainbow and Sahara in Las Vegas. It is a beautiful day and we're here to celebrate Ride Day. So we're here at the Jump Start, and that's the first part of getting comfortable on a motorcycle. What's great is the motorcycle stays still while you get to practice turning on the engine, shifting, and using the throttle and the clutch. It's a really great first step to getting familiar with the controls on a motorcycle before you head out to the range.
My name is Wayne. I came to this course today basically scrolling through Facebook. I seen an ad for it, 30 minutes or less. I didn't believe it, honestly. I thought it was a lie, but I decided to give it a shot. When I came out here, it was maybe about 5-7 people, all giving their first riders course out the way. This is cool, nice little 30-minute situation. I didn't think it was real, but it was. It definitely changed my perspective on motorcycles and the pricing of Harley-Davidson. I will say, $399 for the class at first had me skeptical, but after talking to instructors and the people here, very open. I got a lot of insight within the time frame, and I definitely think it was worth it. So hopefully I get to save up and do it pretty soon.
Come join us here at Red Rock Harley-Davidson for your next motorcycle adventure.